Today I went to the Dollarama to have a look at their Valentine's Day decorations. So the first thing you see when you walk in the store are the Valentine's Day cakes and candies. They had some of the cakes right there, and these are some chocolate covered marshmallows. And so they definitely had a really good selection. So if you have like a lot of people to buy for, like in your office or um, just for friends, I think this is a good place to pick up some small gifts because they were all around $2 and the chocolates here were $4. So they had only one aisle for Valentine's Day, and so they had at the very beginning they had all of this really cute candy. This is a marshmallow bear that I just love, and here's some gummy candies, and these are some hard suckers. But I think these are nice for adding to gift bags. If you're creating a little Valentine's gift for your friends or your family. And on the other side of the aisle were a whole bunch of stuffed animals. And I was really surprised by how many they had. And the prices were really amazing. Most of them were around $4, and there was a few for $3. So I thought that was just a really great quality. And there is definitely something for everyone, whether it's for a little kid or for an adult. I think you could definitely find lots of cute animals here. And here's the home decor section. So here you can see that they have a whole bunch of tablecloths and in both paper and vinyl. And here are some really nice napkins. I picked some of these up uh, as well. And they also have lots of nice, this is a placemat with coasters, and they were made out of sort of like a red felt. And they also had some tea towels. And here are the Valentine's Day baking supplies. So they had a whole bunch of uh, muffin uh, wrappers for regular size cupcakes as well as the mini ones. So if you like to do a lot of holiday baking, definitely go to the Dollarama because they had a really nice selection. And this was a cookie stamp, so I think this would work really well with freezer cookies that you roll out and then slice. And they also had just a really nice selection of glassware. So if you like to do like a coffee station, uh, these cups are for espresso cups. So for example, if you have an espresso instead of a Keurig, then it could be fun to do an espresso corner. And here are some table decorations. They're sort of like a garland wreath on a weighted base. So I thought these were fun if you're having some sort of dinner party around Valentine's Day. It'd be a nice way to decorate the table. And here were several bouquets of fake roses, and they were just displayed in these metal pots, and I thought both were really nice. And they definitely had a little bit of everything. Uh, they had this was the clothing section. They had T-shirts and ties and these soft, fluffy socks. And I love these just because they're so soft and cuddly. And they also had a lot of fun accessories like beaded necklaces and fun glasses. they had such a nice selection of stationery. So this is great because I think Valentine's Day is um, mostly for kids now. So if you have to buy stuff for your kid to bring to school for their friends, there's so much to choose from. There's little buttons, erasers. I think the notepads were just great. They had a whole bunch to choose from as well as sticker books. And they had a whole wall of stickers as well. So you could use them for decorating envelopes and cards. So these boxes would be great for gift giving. It's such an easy way to wrap things up. You just wrap whatever you're gifting in tissue paper and then put it into the box with some ribbon. And they also had a really nice selection of gift bags. This was a felt bag, so I thought that was a really cute idea. And they also had a whole bunch of these paper gift bags. And if you look closely, some of them are completely covered in glitter. They were really very impressive. Like the blue truck here, you could see the front was entirely glitter, so I thought the quality was just really amazing for the price. So here were some of the Valentine's Day cards. They had these really big ones, which I thought were really nice. So they're good for when you have someone special. So I live in a French city, so you can see they had these cards in French. So it's kind of fun. You can choose from either English or French. And so most of the Valentine's Day cards are mostly for kids. So if you were buying something for someone older, then you'd have to buy. They didn't really have much, just the regular gift cards. So here are a bunch of decorations. So these are great if you work in an office. You can always decorate your cubicle or your desk with these. They had a bunch of garlands and puffy hearts. Hi there. So I thought I would just show you some of the items that I picked up at the dollar store today. And sorry for the low quality of the audio. I'm just I'm just using my cell phone today. And so I hope that it sounds okay. I'm still working on putting together a YouTube studio, and there's a lot of working parts for audio and video. So sorry about the low quality, but the videos will be improving over time. Just just taking baby steps, one step at a time. So some of the things that I picked up at the dollar store are some of these DIY cards. They come in red and pink, and then they have the envelopes. I signed up for a Valentine's Day card exchange on Facebook, and I got about 8 addresses. And so yesterday I did up but there's only 6 in a pack, so today I went back to, I finished these up yesterday, and I'll be putting them in the mail. So I just went back to get some more. So in the cards, they're just blank, so I just printed off a little greeting, and then I just kind of fixed it into the card. And then I also got some of these game tablets. Maybe I was thinking after, I think stickers would have been better, but this is a little childish, but whatever, it's still fun. So it has some games in it. I just thought I'd put something in the card just to make it more interesting. And then I also got a marshmallow bear just to give to a friend. I just thought they were cute. And I also picked up some of these. These are delicious. I got a box for myself and a box for my mom for Valentine's Day. And I also got my mom one of those mega big cards, and so and some stickers. I just decorated it. It's nothing serious, just kind of for fun. So I got the black card here, and then I got her some heart decorations. Maybe she might want to put them on her Valentine's Day tree. She keeps her tree up after Christmas and then decorates it afterwards for Valentine's Day. And I also picked up a whole bunch of socks. I like these really soft socks for sleeping in to keep my feet warm in the winter. So I picked up a bunch of these, and that's about it. So well, thanks for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos, and I'll see you next time.